Today I'm reviewing my soldering gun set, soldering iron set. And this is a nice little set. It comes in a yellow zippered case. It comes with extra clips or extra tips. Solder is in the tube, a cleaning pad. The red down there is extra wire, a utility knife, tweezers, and this will actually suck the solder back up inside of it. And Rick's gonna do a solder his wire to his.
And get it to stay. This is adjustable. You can turn the heat up and down on it. We're gonna turn it up. There's a light breeze here, so I've got it real hot. Yeah, it's hot. Get that to stay there.
This is a wire to his welder.
I should just put a gob of solder on one side of it first.
But as you can see, the soldering gun is hot. It is melting the solder. You can see it's smoking. And he's actually using the little holder to keep his wire in right now. Because on something like this, you really do need 2 hands, or 4 hands. Maybe 3. So he's just melting a glob of solder onto the one side, and then he'll stick it to the other side.
Oop, drop a little piece. I think we might got it.
And there you have it. I highly recommend.
Yep.